Alright guys, welcome to our life in the Philippines. So today we are out in a different little area and we are going to show you around in a new home development, and we just met this gentleman when we had our little party for Gemma, and he is the bridegroom's uncle. So, and he's a real estate agent, and he said, "Come up, and I'll show you around." It looks like a really nice area. This project just now started, so it's in the beginning, but it's going to be a pretty interesting development, and we'll talk to him for some interviews and some other things. So we are right here at the Show Village, PHirst. I don't know how to pronounce that, but PHirst. I'll read it as first. Magalang first, a first that lasts, and they are just now. They have the demo area open, and they are taking orders. People are buying their homes here, and I'm probably going to see what's going on behind the first model homes that you see right down there, and then we'll go from there, and we're going to take you around. It might be a longer video, and it might be going in two parts. And over there I have my wife and the real estate agent. So we are going to go in and check it out together. This is the model here. Let's see if I can catch it and fly over it. So this is right here is where we are right now, right? So this is where we are right now.
Yes, sir.
Right?
This is where we are.
So the pool is planned to be on that side.
That side.
Behind here. The pool have they started on it?
No, not yet.
No, they haven't started yet.
They haven't started.
So this is the Magalang.
Magalang Babalao Road, and this is the main gate.
Right.
Yeah.
And the main gate coming in
the
this
outpost, guard outpost.
Right. So you have basically a main street going down all the way here, and then in the center of it, it looks to me like there's a basketball court. And is that like a little recreational park area or something?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And
All right. And also here is like a little park area, open space, and then you have
the water tank.
The storage tank.
Yeah.
So that's going to serve the entire area.
Yes, sir.
Will it keep enough pressure?
Yes, sir. You can.
All right, that's good.
And this is the proposed amenities, sir. We have the prime hub.
Okay, so those are the amenities that are proposed.
Yes, sir.
You said the hub?
The hub.
And the hub is, what is that? Explain a little bit. What is the hub?
The hub, sir, is the recreational area, sir. We have the basketball court. We have the kiddie pool and water play area.
All right.
Yeah, the basketball court.
Basketball
then the
court.
main pool and the village clubhouse.
All right, so let's see if I can get it. Yeah, I can get it. That way I get it.
Yeah, the village clubhouse.
All right, and that's here. That's this one here, yeah.
And this one is the activity nights.
Right.
We have a playground for the children.
Right. So that's cool. Cool, very cool. Transit park.
Yeah.
Playing hole.
And if you love jogging, we have a track lane.
They have some track lanes,
Yeah, cycling route.
pedal lanes, and bicycle racks as well. Okay. So, and it all laid out on the map. So this is number one is the Transit Park.
Yes, sir. That's part.
And then we got number 2 and 3 are the Plain Hope and Cedar Race, located on the map there. Number 4 is also back. Yeah, that's the bicycle racks. And they also have another one up towards the end of this whole thing when it's done. Number 5 is the pedal lane, so that you're going to have, they can bicycle around there, I guess. And then track lanes. So it's a nice, very nice. So nice, they made it nice with the models and everything.
I got the footage for that one.
Did you go walk around this thing?
Yes, yes.
You got? Do you have some?
Price for the unit, all the unit.
For each unit.
Yeah,
Yeah, we have that.
yeah. That'd be. So these are models. They made them pretty good. Yeah, wait. And this is the Calista. So looks good. Mika?
Yeah.
Hi, Mika.
And this is Abby, Mr. Shell.
Hello, how are you?
Yeah. And that woman, the beautiful one over there is Monroe Ann and Lay.
Oh, okay. Hi, everybody. Smile, you're on camera. Okay, nice. So, you had some paperwork for the pricing? Yeah. Get that on the camera. So this part, you said this part here, in the back, way back, is already sold out.
Yes, sir. But there's some unit available.
Right. But I bet you these are gone with the
Yes, sir.
views in the back.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, so we are just going to quickly walk over and take a look at these model homes that they have completed. A lot of work is going on in the back, but the model homes are completed and several units has been sold already.
Yeah, this is how many acres
This,
or hectares?
This 10.32 hectares all in all.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
That's why it's a big project.
It's a big project.
Yeah.
Yeah. And down the road, they're gonna have community pools and.
Yeah, this one they also have this, that kind of amenities. We have pools, but not yet finished.
Oh yeah, of
Yeah,
course.
So
This.
this is the they call this the Calista pair. They have 2 units combined.
Oh, okay. So this is the combined.
Yeah. This we have 80 square meters floor area, and the typical lot area is 104.5 square meters. They
All
are
right.
combined.
So the 80 square meter downstairs and 80 upstairs. So the total square.
The total is 80. Bali, they have 40 square meters, 1 unit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can go inside, sir.
All right. Yeah. Go ahead. Let's go.
Let's go inside.
Yeah. It wants to come this way.
This is the place.
Yeah. Oh, nice and cold.
Yeah,
Nice and cold in here.
Yeah.
Very nice and cold. Okay.
This is the Calista pair, 2 units combined, and this opens one.
All right. So they just have one little opening
Yeah.
between the two. So this is more like the kitchen. Do we have some lights?
Yeah.
So we can. It wasn't there. Maybe there, yeah. There you go. Now we have a little light. So let's get a view from out here. So yeah, I like this. So what's the price of a unit like this now?
This one, sir. Ma'am, how much is the price? This two. So 3.7. 3.7.
3.7.
Yeah.
Yeah. And non-negotiable.
Non-negotiable.
Yeah.
But it
Yeah.
is installment, sir.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course, of course. So 3.7, that would be roughly $80,000, right?
Yeah. Very cheap.
Yeah, compared to United States, it's fairly cheap.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. It's really nice. I like it.
Yeah.
So-
Sir, by the way, sir, this is Ma'am Lisa. This is my sales manager.
Oh, okay.
Sir, what's your name, please?
My name is Shell,
Shell.
like the seashell,
Shell.
but it's
Nice to meet you, sir.
but no C, just Shell.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Nice to meet
Yeah, I'm
you.
Lito, sir.
All right, so yeah, that's cool. And let's, we're gonna go upstairs too. Try to get a little view. It's always a little harder to get the bathroom, but it's pretty decent sized bathroom. So I'm assuming it's 2 bathrooms, right?
Yeah, they have 2 bathrooms.
These 2 units has 2 bathrooms, and nicely tiled and painted. Like a simple sink, but it's okay. It's good. Yeah, so it's planned out. The only thing, for me as a foreigner,
Mhm.
I like to see cabinets.
Yeah.
But I guess you can get that for extras and other things if you want,
You
right?
can, if you build the unit, you can ask for the other contractor to put that.
Right, so you can actually order,
Yeah.
hanging cabinets
Yeah.
and that kind of stuff because,
You can put the cabinet, but the unit is they don't have the cabinet yet.
right.
The standard one.
Yeah, so it's nicely designed. And then we have the bedroom upstairs. So let's get upstairs here. Okay, so we have three bedrooms, bunk bed here,
The other one is here.
and then you have the other one is here. All right. I like the way they did the violin on the wall and that kind of
Yeah.
stuff. That's pretty cool, actually. That's very cool. But that's not standard, though, right?
No, sir.
That's just for decoration.
Decoration.
Yeah, yeah. But it's nicely done. I like it.
Yes, sir.
I like it very
If
much.
you build the unit, you can.
I played violin for 15 years
Oh,
in my younger years. I haven't played, oh man,
More on
Probably-
classical music, sir.
Yeah.
Or jazz or
anything.
anything.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's take a look. So this is then kind of considered the master bedroom.
Yes, sir.
I guess.
The master version.
This is the master. And I'm going to walk over here because I can get a different view from the master. And then you have back in there closet. And it's nice. It's very nice. So no bathroom upstairs?
No, sir. The other one, if you want to put another bathroom, this is the extended version. We have the extended version of this unit.
Okay,
Yeah, the other.
okay. All right.
Close this one, sir.
Oh yeah, you can close this off too. Yeah. But it's not really necessary. They could, they could have put a flooring in here
Yeah.
and make the room bigger.
Yeah, okay. That's right.
But that's very nice. Nice and clean.
This is our water unit. Very nice and clean.
Right, so she's getting some video too.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so this room here, and then back here we have another bathroom, shower,
Sir, this is the backyard.
right? And then the exit out to the backyard right here. So it's a small little backyard, but it's nice, nicely decorated. So it looks good. And then there was a door on the other side too, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
The laundry room.
Right. Oh,
We
okay.
want to put the laundry room.
All right. So yeah, let's look at it. So we get a full view of. Right. Okay. So that'd be a little laundry area, and you could
Yeah.
put a little roof over here if you wanted to. So that's that's good. That's cool. Very good. All right. That was unit number 1. And that one was
Calista Pier.
Calista
Calista, sir.
Calista Pier. I think we have it on the sign here. So let me
Yes, sir. This one is the sign.
get it. There we go. There we go. It's so bright out, it's hard to see.
All right, guys. I think I figured this one out. PHirst Park Homes stands for Philippine, obviously. And as I said, we are going to make this into a 2-part series. They have 2 more different units that we are going to present in a second version for you. And we will take a look at that for tomorrow's video. So come back and watch that one too. If you have any interest, contact the agent. I'll put his number in the description, and then we go from there. Thank you for watching. Don't forget our live feeds on Thursday morning, Sunday morning, 9:15 a.m. and Eastern Standard Time. That would be Wednesday evening and Saturday evening at 8:15 p.m. God bless, and we'll see you soon again. Bye. Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button. And then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.